Now, you might be wondering how do you exactly fix if Epic Games here is failing when it tries to self-update? Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to do the most basic and easiest one here by logging out and then logging in into your account. So that involves you logging out of your account here. So if you can access it, you can go and just basically log out from it. But if you can't access the actual UI here and you can't re-log in, well, the next thing that you want to do is you want to add certain boot up options or boot commands here. So what we need to do is want to go and look for Epic Games, right click on it. You want to go ahead and just choose the option for properties, and you want to go to target. Now you want to go to the very end here, so just after the double quotes here, you want to add a space, so just press the space bar one time, and you want to go and just paste the following command. So there's going to be the skip build patch prereq. So once you copy this or you've typed this at the very end here, so you need to add this at the very end again, space, then you want to go and just paste the whole thing, click on apply and okay. Go ahead and just double click on Epic Games and see if that actually works. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is you want to start this up in administrator. So sometimes it's still running in the background, just make sure it's not running. So you want to go and just go to your hidden icons here, right click on it, click on either sign out or exit. So once you've exit on it, you want to go and right click on it, and you want to go and just choose the option here. It says run as administrator, and once it actually runs, that should solve your issue. Now, if none of this actually solves your issue, the final and last thing that you try doing here is uninstalling Epic Games and reinstalling it again. So typically to uninstall that, you want to go to your search bar here, just type in uninstall, or you can go and just type in settings here, and under settings you should see a section for apps. Go and just choose installed apps, and you want to look for Epic Games, and once you do see that, you can go and just click on the three dot option here and click on uninstall to uninstall it, and just follow the on-screen step. Now once you've done that, reinstall it again and see if that works, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.